Hello everyone, this is Keeper333, and today I will be reviewing the Gear Shift by Oscar Van Devonshire, owned me and mass-produced by Mavericks. The Gear Shift is probably one of the most unique puzzles out there, as are many mass-produced puzzles like Mavericks, such as the Ski Extreme. Ha ha ha, hilarious pun. Anyway, the Gear Shift is made up of, 8 gears, so it is like a 2x2 in that sense. But where it differs is it turns on the corners, which turns all the faces, but you can split the axes apart to turn the individual faces. Now, this puzzle I paid $30 for at a mall. I was going to Legoland, and I just stopped by a bunch of stops, and they had this, a quad cube, and a gear ball. I didn't get the quad cube, and I didn't get the gear ball because I can buy that at Barnes & Noble's in town, but I couldn't for this. And I heard this was a great puzzle, and I agree. This is a very fun puzzle. I must admit I can't exactly solve it, but it's still fun enough just to go, whee, turn the gears. Now, mine's not as smooth as other people's, but it still is very smooth. I did overpay for this. If you want to buy a good one, just buy it off like the Cubicle or HK Now store or Amazon or something. I know I buy a lot of my puzzles off Amazon. That's because they're generally the cheapest. Anyway, except for with this. Anyway, this is about $20 on those sides, and I paid $30 for it. But the stickers are very nice. My lighting, you can't, let's see. Yeah, the stickers are very high quality. They're like the Shengshou Pyramid stickers. They're very high quality. They haven't scratched. I've gotten a little dirt under the Mavericks logo, but other than that, all the logos are fine. Sorry about the background noise. Anyway, so yeah. Overall, I give this puzzle an A++, as pretty much every person who I've seen has this, loves the puzzle, and I do too. I don't even know how to solve none of it. But anyway, I would recommend getting this puzzle. No collection is complete without it. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe twice. Hack your computer and subscribe twice. Yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.